Hi, this is Edeline Lee. Thank you for coming to my Autumn-Winter 2021 digital premiere at London Fashion Week. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about the meaning that lives inside of our clothes, the nostalgia and memories that we attach to our clothing. So this season, in lieu of a live presentation, I would like to share a short story with you. Please put on your headphones, close your eyes, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Let's begin. Please stare at the green squares on your screen. Very good. Please take a cortical sensor in each hand and gently place the adhesive gel guides onto your temples as shown in the diagram. Downloading will begin in a moment. When you are ready, please say so.
I'm ready.
Downloading has begun. Please open your eyes and for the purposes of effective filing and retrieval, could you contextualize this image?
Oh, that's when I was 17. His name's Tom.
There is context missing around this moment.
Well, I'm not surprised. We raided his father's drinks cabinet that weekend. My first proper hangover. All I can remember is feeling foggy-headed.
Very good. Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes and contextualize this image.
Oh, I was 9, 10, perhaps? That was our first flat.
As this space resembles several related moments, more context is required for proper filing and retrieval.
Sure. What kind of context do you need?
Emotional, please.
I was a child, so there were good days and bad days, I suppose.
Was this moment a good day or a bad day for you?
That was good.
Please explain. Context.
For context, yes. Well, that was Dad's birthday. So, and we'd always get a takeaway curry to celebrate that. It was his favourite. And he always over-ordered. So I remember there was so much food that we ate leftovers for 2 days, maybe 3.
This is your last significant memory of your father.
Yes.
Very good. Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes and contextualize this image.
Yes, yeah, that's, I think that it was near Christmas.
There is no audio attached to this moment.
Probably because I don't remember what was said.
What is that game you and your mother are playing?
Oh, no, we were just dancing. Mum had got her promotion. She'd worked so hard to get to that point. See, there, she's taking me by the hand and dancing us in a circle. We look quite silly, don't we? Oh, it was amazing to see her let her hair down like that. Between her career and me, there was little time for anything else. That was a great day.
Very good. Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes and contextualize this image. Is she dancing here again?
No, she's not dancing. She's twirling in front of the mirror. Oh, see, look, it fitted her so beautifully. She loved that blue-green colour, like malachite. Oh, she looks wonderful.
What are you doing with those ribbons?
I'm tying them for her. See, those pieces draped off the sleeves and flowed behind her when she moved. See, you can see there. She called them her tiny broken wings.
This is not a happy moment for you.
No, it is. It's just... There's a lot happening there.
May I connect this to an earlier moment?
Yes.
Is this the same dress from 83 days prior?
I didn't count the days, but yes, if you say so. We saw it in a shop window. She commented on how elegant it was and asked me if I thought it would suit her. I wanted to suggest that we go in and she could try it on, but I don't know, I must have had a meeting or something. I didn't have time.
So you filed the moment and retrieved it for the purchase later?
Yeah, after I got engaged. I thought she could wear it to my wedding.
Very good. Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes and contextualize this image.
That's Cornwall. That's Ephaven. Mum wanted to go back there. I mean, look at how breathtaking it is. And you see how steep the rocks are. It took forever to get down to the beach. She kept saying proudly how she used to scramble down them in minutes when she was a little girl.
Is this a good memory?
It's a mix. You know, if we're going to talk like this, I'd like to have your name. Do you have one?
I have a model number.
I thought you all came with a name.
We are personalised to your specific needs. If it is for general storage, most consumers do not like naming the programme.
Why is that?
It supposedly feels like another loss.
Ah, I see. But I have an option.
Yes, you may give me a name at the end of this session.
Can I do that now? I feel like I need to call you something.
You may call me anything you like.
My friend Lynn was a good listener. Can I call you Lynn?
You may call me Lynn.
Hi, Lynn.
Can we continue with the categorisation of this moment? You say it is a mix of good and bad. Can you explain?
It's good. It's good because... Look at her. She's so happy and beautiful and full of life. But it's bad because I knew I was losing her. And I was, because that was the last time I saw her that way.
Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes and contextualize this image.
What's there to contextualize? You know what a funeral is?
I will never know what a funeral is. Forgive me. That was my attempt at lifting the mood.
Okay.
Because I'm synthetic, I will never...
Yeah, I get it. Thank you.
This specific moment is tied to happiness for you. Could you contextualize?
Oh, it's because when she asked me to bury her in the dress, she joked that it wasn't the occasion that either of us had had in mind. And I suppose that memory made me smile.
Forgive me, but she is not alive to experience the pleasure of wearing it.
It doesn't matter. Never mind. She'd have found the fun in wearing a great dress to a terrible party.
Very good. Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes and contextualize this image. Georgia, is this a good moment or bad?
Lynn, is there a point when you'll figure out that most memories are neither wholly good or bad? I feel like I'm repeating myself. Have you got bittersweet in your dictionary?
Bittersweet. Is that good or bad? That was a joke.
I know, Lynn.
Forgive me, but it's for the sake of creating a programme of purely good moments for you that I make these requests. You decided that. May I make a connection to another moment?
Yes.
Why is this moment connected?
It's the magazine where I saw Mum's dress again.
It reminded you of the funeral?
No. Well, yes, I suppose, but not directly. It's more than that. It reminded me of her. Of her life.
That's why you bought the same dress? For this moment, when you received the award?
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to represent her. Because I was getting that award because of her. I mean, all her hard work and everything that she'd given me.
So you purchased this dress to honour your mother?
No, but it's more than that. Look, I know you're trying, Lynn, but your attempts to define this make it feel small, and she's more beautiful and more powerful, more capable, more complex than everything you've shown me. And when I put on the dress, I recognised that in me too.
A dress?
Yeah, I know it sounds silly, but it's not just the dress, Lynn.
Would you like to take a break?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Georgia, I'm having trouble categorising for the purposes of filing and retrieval. You say this is a good moment, but your EDA levels indicate it is highly stressful.
It's stressful because she's no longer there.
The memory is there.
Yes, the memory is there, but she's not. She's no longer real. Her absence is what's real, Lynn. Her non-existence.
But memories are real, Georgia.
Yeah, but the moment isn't. I mean, don't you see that? I mean, I can't... You keep calling these moments, but they're memories of moments, Lynn. The actual moments are no longer there. They don't exist. What you're showing me does not exist.
Please look.
Where did you get that?
From your memories.
No, but that's not real. She wasn't at my wedding.
You have edited your memories to provide a more pleasing one.
Don't do that.
I did not create this. You did, Georgia. This is a common coping mechanism. To survive, you edit, you forget, you misremember, and you tell stories about these misremembered moments.
But that's not real.
You already said memories were not real.
I didn't say they were not important. That's why I'm here. With you. Doing this. For Sarah.
So that when you are no longer here, she can have these moments to tell herself stories about you.
Lynn, that's straight out of the advert.
Forgive me, but it's true.
It's just, I don't remember things as pictures. Not this way. I remember this as a feeling.
Can you describe that feeling?
No, Lynn, I can't because it's gone. Everyone you're showing me is gone. And so it's not real anymore. It's lost, and this didn't even happen, even though everything in me wishes it was real. Does that make sense?
It is a memory of a dress.
Yeah, it was her dress. And it was the dress that Mum should have worn at my wedding. And I should have seen her having her hair done and being fussed over and telling me that I looked beautiful and calming my nerves and, smiling at me as I came down the aisle and just all those cliche wedding day moments. Laughing on the dance floor, slipping around on spilt champagne. I wanted those moments.
Georgia, you had them.
Will she see all of this? My daughter. Even the mixed up images.
When she is granted access, she will have recourse to your entire memory bank, but only as much as you're willing to download here. Are you ready to continue?
Yes. Thank you, Lynn.
Very good. Please close your eyes as we continue. Please open your eyes.